Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we have an unboxing of a Verkada CH52 multi-sensor camera. This thing's brand new. It's 4 5 megapixel cameras in one. We're about to open this guy up. So this thing's huge. So let's check it out. Okay. I need to stand up for this guy. Let's see, it requires 60 watts PoE++ to power this guy. This looks like the lens cover. Okay, what do we got here? This looks like install kit. We'll open that up in a minute. What do we got in here? This looks like another tool. Here is the actual camera. 4 cameras. Okay. Look at this guy. So we got this plastic cover here. Here's the 4 lenses. Each one of these lenses are adjustable. So when it's upside down like this, you can aim each one in any direction that you need. This looks like it might be all the IR all around the side of it. Same weighs, I don't know, it feels like maybe 5, 6, 7 pounds. Got your anchors. Got your standard Verkada tool. How many do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what's going to go on eventually over here. Cover up those sensors when it's all done, when it's physically installed. And we're going to end up installing this here at my office so we could demo it to customers. Because this has 4 cameras in one, the licensing for this is just a little bit more, but it still only takes 1 data cable. There you go. There we go. Okay, lens is off. You get your little safety hook to latch on right here once this is mounted. This is where you put your data cable through. That is what this is going to be for. That's why it's at an angle, so you can tighten this guy once you get your wire through. Okay, so it's got to come through here, plug in right there. And then this is what you mount to the ceiling, which this should line up with the mount 2, mount 8 with Verkada. You could swivel these guys right here, so you could physically move them inside the housing. So I guess if you need 2 closer and 2 farther away, you can actually turn those and then actually turn your lenses inside. That's pretty cool. And this is what it looks like with the IR cover on it. You just line up the Verkada sign right here with this little lip. Here's the inside of the dome. Shows you all the contacts for the IR. This is what the camera lenses look like up close. Also, as you can see, you got the blue arrow here. You have this circle, you have this diamond, and you have this plus sign. It also helps you align it up right here when you put it back together. So you have the blue, you have the circle, you have the diamond, you have the plus sign. You use all 4 of those to align this guy before you put it back up. Looks clean. All right, so there you guys go. That's the Verkada CH52, the 20 megapixel camera. Don't forget this thing takes 60 watts PoE, type 3 PoE++ power to power this guy, but it still only takes 1 cable to do that. 4 5 megapixel lenses, fully adjustable. So we're gonna show you another video of this guy installed physically at our building, and we'll show you actually what this the footage looks like with it actually working here at our location. See you guys at the next one. Later.